Hi there viewers, welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a read more read less section using simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript, such like this one. You can see currently when I click read more, it appears there are rest text and with a button text read less. When I click read less, it goes back to there. Same for this, read more read less. So we will be making this section using simple JavaScript. So let's get started. So I have created a HTML file with the font pop-in included and a style.css file included with bootstrap file, and here I used some medias that we'll be using in this project. So here in body we will be taking a section and we will be putting here a class in section named section default. In this section we will be taking a container class, and we will be writing here another div we will be taking named block title text center. Here we will be writing the titles everything, and in this title we will be putting dot line, and in block title div we will be writing paragraph. After paragraph we will be writing here ht tag y chooses. Okay, so after this block title div we will take a space, and here we will write a row class, and we will take a column large, in column large it will be 4. So we will be taking 3 columns. Alright, so in first column we will be writing here feature box. This is here will be the contents, and another one for icon box block, icon block. Okay, after that here we'll be including the image that we're taking from the media. We can use anyone best, and after the icon block div we'll be giving space and write ht tag, and here we can write anything. And similarly after the h2 tag we will be writing here paragraph tag with the class name info, again another class name text. There is 2 class info and text that will be used in CSS. We will show you. Here I'm giving a 30 lorem, and after this paragraph we will be taking an anchor tag with the class name more link. Here in this anchor tag we will be writing here read more. Okay, so now we will be copying this full feature box and paste it in every columns. So I have changed the h text here in the pictures for the icon. Alright, and now we will be going to our CSS file to make the styles. Here we're writing HTML and body. In parentheses we will write here height 100%. After that, another line we will be writing only for HTML. In parentheses we will be writing a display table and margin auto. After that we will be writing here body CSS. Okay, right here we will be taking a font 14 px slash 1.7.4 opens in semicolon. Here we will write here a background image in linear gradient. So in first bracket we're writing here the color #020202. In comma we're writing here RGBA, another first bracket 0, 0, 0, and here 0.9. And after this first bracket, here we're giving a space, and here you will write URL. In this URL we'll be locating our image directory. So my image in media feature page, so I'm gonna write here media slash feature page. After that we're writing here background attachment. It will be fixed, and background size, it will be cover. Here the display will be table cell, and vertical align will be middle. And then now we will be calling our this section default here using dot, and here in parentheses we are writing here position relative, and its padding will be 80 pixel from top bottom and 0 pixel from left to right. And after that we will be taking section default again, and here row class, and after that we will be taking here section default class, and here we will be writing the row class. After that in square bracket we are calling class steric sign equals to column hyphen. After the square bracket we will be writing here the clone nth child, here will be 2, and then in parentheses we will be writing here border left 1 pixel solid RGBA will be 255, 255, 255, and 0.1. After that we will be copying this line again, and another line, paste it and just change it to border right. Okay, we're done. And then we will be now calling our block title, this one, the block title here, and we will in parentheses we'll be writing margin bottom 60 pixel. So after this we are writing here block title, we are now calling dot line. Here in dot line we are writing display inline block semicolon, and vertical align will be middle, and the width will be 12 pixel, same height 12 pixel, and the border radius will be 50%. After that we will be putting a background color in the dot line, will be 0 064 b3, a blue color one. After that, we will now styling this h2 tag of block title. Now we will be writing here block title h2. Now in parentheses, we will be writing here the font size will be 60 pixel, and here it's letter spacing minus 0.04 em, and font weight will be 700. And after that, we will be writing here color, that will be FFF white. And then we will be taking here the block title paragraph tag in parentheses. We will be writing here the color, that will be 717171 here. After that, we will be writing here the font size, it will be 16 pixel, and the font weight will be 600. Then we will be now taking another div named feature box. In feature box, we'll be giving here text align, it will be center. And then for our icon box, we're writing feature box dot, we're taking the icon class icon block. In this parenthesis, we will be writing here display inline block. Then vertical line will be middle, and the width will be 98 pixel. Height will be also 98 pixel. Border radius will be 50%. And then text align will be center. After that, the line height, it will be 96 pixel, and its background color will be same, this one blue, and I'm putting a margin bottom, it will be 35 pixel. After this icon block, we will be now taking this icon's image. We have to make this style for this block, and we will be making the style for this image alignment. Now in CSS, we will be writing here again feature box icon block, then here image. In parentheses, we will be writing the icon image white, it will be 55 pixel. And then there is h-sheet. In the div, we will now styling the h3 with feature, calling the feature box and its h3 element. Here the font size will be 18 pixel, its weight will be 600, and its color will be white. So we have implement the HT tags, and now let's have a look on the output. Okay, so I've got up to this. Now again, here we'll be writing here again feature box dot info. Info is this paragraph, we call the title named info. So now here we will be making info's color, this paragraph's color. Here it will be B5, and its line height will be 30 pixel, and its margin will be 30 pixel from top bottom, 0 pixel from left right. So now let's get the output. Color has been changed. Now let's implement this read more button. Styles, we are giving here feature box, and our class was more link. Now I can give here dot more link. Here the text transform will be uppercase, color will be white, the font size will be most probably 14 pixel. Its background, let's put here the same background, blue, and here it will have a padding 10 pixel from top bottom and 25 pixel left right. Its letter spacing 0.2 em. Font weight will be 600. After that we make some hover effect, so let's put the transition all 0.4 seconds ease, and its cursor will be pointer. Now copy this title and the CSS and paste it here, and after that with more link add semicolon and hover and curly braces. We will write in here background. Here will be RGB it will be 84. We're gonna write 84. Its hover effect will be this one. So now have a look in this file. You can see that this button has been implemented. You can see. Now let's work in this read more functionality. Let's go to our HTML file. At the end here, after section in body, we'll be writing a script tag. Okay, in script we will be calling a let variable, and we will be taking a variable name as number of character equals to. Now here I will be putting 130. That is normally how these characters will show. Semicolon. Here we put let again contents equals to document dot query and capital S selector, capital A all, first bracket, and here double quote, and we will be calling dot text class. This class is text. We have called this text here in semicolon. Put semicolon. Now we were writing here content dot for each. Here we taking a first bracket. In first bracket we were writing content equal greater than sign, in parentheses put enter, in parentheses we were writing a if else statement. Here will be in first bracket content will be dot text content, and its length will be greater than number of character, this value number of character. And here after first bracket we will be now putting parentheses. Here we are writing content dot next element sibling. Here we write style dot display, it will be equals to, in double quote it will show known, then put semicolon, and after this parenthesis ending, we're writing here else, again parenthesis, in parenthesis here we will write let display text key will be in capital word, and here in equals we will write content dot text capital C, content dot slice, here in first bracket we will write 0, then number of character variable, and then after that put semicolon, and then put another line, we're calling another variable let, and more text equals to content dot text content, it will be slice, first bracket, number of character, then put a semicolon, here we will write here content dot inner HTML equals to, in backtick we will write $, and curly braces, here we will write display text. After the curly braces we will give a span tag, here the class will be equals to dots, we will be putting the dots class in double quote, and we will close the tag, and here we will put like something showing read more, there is more text, so we are putting dot, and then we will put here another span tag, its class will be equals to more text, and again another class will be more, and here int using greater sign. After that here we will write $, curly braces, more text capital word, finish the curly braces, and then also finish the span tag. Okay, and then here put a semicolon. After that we have finished the if-else statements. Now we will be writing here the code of, after the content, here we will be writing putting also semicolon. After content we will be putting here function read more button, here we will write another let tag post to, now calling the function parameter btn parent element, here it will be parent element semicolon. Now we will put here post dot query selector, a first bracket, in double quote or single quote put dots the class name, and after the first bracket give another dot class list will be in capital word, and then dot toggle, and first bracket here in double quote or single quote more text class name, and then put semicolon. After that again copy this one and again paste it here. Instead of dot we will write more and here more text as it is. After that, write here button dot text content. It will be equal to in double quote read more. After that, put a question mark, bdn dot text content equals to, in double quote we will write here read less. Here if read more it's C, then after that it will appear as read less space here. After that, else we will put in here in the clone button dot text content equals to read more. Here we have used the shorthand form of if else statement. After this, we will be putting here the semicolon. Now it's done. Let's check. Okay, so you can see right here it's not working, so let's see. Okay, here one thing we have to do is we have to go to style.css file. In here we have to take space, and here we are writing more text, and in curly braces we will write here display none. The more text is this one we have implemented, this more text. It will be showing hidden as hidden. So now let's check. Here you can see the text got hidden. After that, here in all the href anchor tags we will write in here on click equals to read more in first bracket this closing. Just copy the same one for every anchor tags. Here we will put in these things, this on click function. Now let's check again. Okay, so issue is happening. You have to delete this whole href. Here just delete the whole href. Now let's check again. Yeah, you can see the read more read less is working. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you like the video, please subscribe to my small channel. It encouraged me to make more interesting videos for you.